Alright, so I have my graph. I've done all of the work. Now I'm going to go to a screen capture. So I'm going to type in ScreenChomp. ScreenChomp is very much like interactive whiteboard, as our show me, I mean. So ScreenChomp allows me to import a picture just like I did with my other project. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to go to this folder right here, and I'm going to go to camera roll, and I'm going to find my graph. And then I'm going to decide how I want to display it. Okay? So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that it fills up my whole page. And then I'm going to click on Done. Now, I am going to, just like I did with our crayfish project, I am going to record the information that I have done. I'm not only going to record it, I'm going to explain, based on the data that I have, what sort of observations can I make. So, here goes. How much time do you play? This was the question that I posed to the students in my class to get an idea of how much they play after school. The options that were given were less than 15 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, 45 to 60 minutes, and more than an hour. As you can see, the majority of the people in our class spend 30 to 45 minutes a day playing after school. There is no one that spends less than 15 minutes playing, which I think is an excellent thing, because I think that play is an important part of everyone's day. There were 3 people in our class that played more than 1 hour. In the future, I would actually like to see more people spending more time playing and changing this value over here of 15 to 30 minutes and increasing it. Some ways that we can play more are, instead of watching TV, going out inside and playing. Now, when we posed this question, how much time do you play, we specifically said we're not talking about video games or computers. This was physical play, going outside, running around, jumping, and so forth. So you can see that there are some very active people in our class, and there are some people that need to become more active. As soon as you click on the Done option, it is going to play your whole entire recording. So now, after I've listened to the whole entire recording, I need to decide what I want to do with it. So first I'm going to label it by my name, so that I can later share it without having to be there, and people will know who did the work. And then I have to decide how I'm going to share it. So it is going to, as you saw, I'm going to click on the ScreenChomp, and that will send it up to the ScreenChomp website, which also means that this will be available here in my ScreenChomp. Okay, so when I go up here, you will see that my survey is being prepared right now in the cloud, and that's how we will be sharing them.